नोएडा, शनिवार 21 फरवरी को श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल, नोएडा 3 में वार्षिक समारोह अद्वया 3.1 का सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन किया गया। इस समारोह की थीम सर्कस रही, जिसने कार्यक्रम को रचनात्मकता, रंगों और उत्साह से परिपूर्ण बना दिया। स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा प्रस्तुत विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों ने न केवल मनोरंजन किया, बल्कि उनकी प्रतिभा, आत्मविश्वास और अनुशासन का उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन भी किया। इस आयोजन की सफलता विद्यार्थियों की कड़ी मेहनत और निरंतर अभ्यास का परिणाम है। मंच पर उनकी प्रस्तुति ने ये सिद्ध किया कि उचित मार्गदर्शन और समर्पण के साथ बच्चे अपनी क्षमताओं को प्रभावी रूप से अभिव्यक्त कर सकते हैं। शिक्षकों का समर्पित प्रयास और सतत मार्गदर्शन इस उपलब्धि का प्रमुख आधार रहा, जिन्होंने विद्यार्थियों को न केवल प्रदर्शन के लिए तैयार किया, बल्कि उनमें टीम वर्क, नेतृत्व एवं आत्मविश्वास जैसे जीवनोपयोगी गुणों का विकास भी किया। अभिभावकों का सहयोग और विश्वास भी इस समारोह की सफलता में महत्वपूर्ण रहा। उनके निरंतर समर्थन और प्रोत्साहन ने विद्यार्थियों का मनोबल बढ़ाया तथा उन्हें उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन के लिए प्रेरित किया। ये वार्षिक समारोह केवल एक सांस्कृतिक आयोजन नहीं, बल्कि शिक्षा, संस्कार, सृजनात्मकता और सामूहिक प्रयास का सशक्त उदाहरण रहा। अद्वया 3.1 ने ये संदेश पुनः स्थापित किया कि जब स्कूल, शिक्षक, विद्यार्थी और अभिभावक मिलकर कार्य करते हैं, तब समग्र विकास और सफलता सुनिश्चित होती है। विद्यालय परिवार प्रधानाचार्य ऋतु श्रीवास्तव, सह महाप्रबंधक सैमसन सर के मार्गदर्शन एवं गरिमामयी उपस्थिति हेतु हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता है। विशिष्ट अतिथि एजीएम गौतम चौधरी, मिस्टर रजनीकांत सीबीएसई कोऑर्डिनेटर श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल्स नॉर्थ तथा श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल गाजियाबाद 1 की प्रधानाचार्य दीप्ति शर्मा की उपस्थिति ने इस समारोह की शोभा बढ़ाई।
Present this wonderful show. I hope every one of you will enjoy each moment what the children are going to exhibit very soon. The annual function is not just a function, it is a showcase of what the children have learned apart from the academics. Because today we need the children to be an all-rounded personality, and this plays a very, very vital role. Because unless and until the child is confident to speak, अगर बच्चा confidently बोल नहीं पाता है, स्टेज पे खड़ा नहीं हो पाता है, या अपने आप को प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाता है, उसको आगे चल के the child will suffer. And we don't want any of our children to be deprived of this what they really deserve. जो उनको चाहिए वो हमें उनको देना है, and we will have a fight with you all if you are not So before taking much time, I will just quickly present the annual report for what we have done, where we were and where we are. So let me present the report. First, again a big proud moment for the entire Noida 3 family. So a huge round of applause again that now we are the affiliated school. We have got our affiliation in the month of October. So now we are here to give the full formal education till grade 12 with any gaps in their future. And it is my promise to each one of you, when the children will pass 12 from here, the personality and the human being, before the personality, the values, knowledge and life skill combination, what they will exhibit, you will also feel proud of each child who is passed from Noida 3 branch. Yes. This is a very sad moment for us. We lost our PT last year. Okay. Coming back, this says our visionary leaders whose vision are here. Today we are standing here, the 40 years of legacy Dr. Rao sir and Dr. Jhansi Rani madam has shown us the path, and the directors over here, they are taking it forward. They are continuously guiding us for the excellence journey. Our support from the central office for K5, we have Pushpali ma'am who is guiding us from Hyderabad. She is the chief of academics, along with Anand sir and Neha. These are the persons who guide us from the central office for executing the K5 academy. Our driving force, Anjaneyar sir, the GM for North India, our Anshu Saxena sir, he is the executive GM, and Gautam Chaudhary sir, AGM for all 5 branches of Noida and Ghaziabad 1 and 2 branch. Our Samson sir, the associate AGM for all 5 branches of Noida, and myself, Ritu Srivastava, standing in front of you. Then my strong pillars, Zareen Chishti ma'am, Parul ma'am, and here we have Puneet sir, Puneet Bish sir, Abhinav sir, COIPL in charge, and Puneet Tiwari sir, the 10th in charge. This year our first batch of 10th is giving their exams, and we are hoping a wonderful results from them. Under Jadeed ma'am, she is the in charge for K5 Techno from pre-primary till grade 5. So these are the team of very strong, dedicated teachers. Without them, we are nothing. If they are standing, I can speak confidently standing in front of you, because they know each and every child from the scratch and how the child will grow. They are the ones who are guiding. This is the lower primary team. The team is growing every day. This is the pre-primary team. Parul ma'am, the Webex coordinator. So this is the pre-primary team, right from Shivam ma'am to Nishta ma'am, Shilpa to Shipra ma'am. So there are lot of new additions going on. Our activity teachers, without them, only academics, only books will not make the children a confident children. So we have a strong team of our academic. Today the entire show, right from the gate, you must have felt कि yes, school में कुछ हो रहा है. So they are the brain behind, they are the workers behind, they have done everything. Shweta ma'am, our art teacher, librarian, PT, Ankit sir, Rupali ma'am and Nitin sir. So they are the ones who have made this show possible. Then our admin staff, AO sir, Sunil sir, then Tara, Nishtha, Astha and for 2 hours academic. Then our counselors, we have student counselor Mr. Tiwari and the special educator Tarnika with us. All these are the basic requirements for the CBSE. We started in 2023 and today in 2026 you can see the growth path, and it is only possible, my dear parents, with your trust and your support. The enrollment for grade 3 to 5, 1 to 5, sorry. Then Mavics curriculum is growing because that is the child-centric curriculum where the children are putting lot of hands-on activity, and it has grown from 30 to 180, and this year we are hoping to add more number. That doesn't mean that techno is not working, both are working simultaneously. Now I hand over mic to Zareen ma'am.
With real-world applications. This makes learning engaging, interactive and memorable. Our events and celebration teach students cultural values, teamwork, stage confidence and leadership skills. Whether it is annual day, festive celebrations or special assemblies, every child gets a platform to showcase their talents and build their self-esteem. We organize educational field trips to industries, adventure camps and learning centers. These visits help students to understand practical application of classroom concepts, develop curiosity and gain exposure beyond their immediate surroundings. Competition days encourage healthy competition, creativity, critical thinking and innovation. From art and craft to science models and presentation. Students learn to think independently and present their ideas confidently. During project days, children engage in hands-on learning. They research, create, collaborate and present, which enhances their communication skills, problem-solving abilities and teamwork. All these activities contribute to the overall development of a child. To take us further, I would now like to invite Ms. Parul Singh, our Mavics coordinator, to kindly come on stage.
Problem solving, logical thinking and technological innovation through this club program. Thank you. With great enthusiasm, let's start today's annual day.
Kindly listen to this disclaimer carefully. The performances showcased during this event are for entertainment purposes only. The views, opinions, and artistic expressions presented by the performers do not necessarily reflect those of the organizing committee, institution, or sponsors. All reasonable efforts have been made to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. However, attendees are advised to exercise caution and adhere to all safety guidelines. For any concerns or emergencies, please reach out to the event coordinators. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy the event. Please give a huge round of applause. Students of grade 1 are going to perform a unique and diversity dance, celebrating different cultures and traditions and spreading the message of love and
मन मंदिर में सज प्यारी मन मोहन तेरे बंसी बजैया रस रचैया तारनहार में तुम्ही के भैया तुमसे बड़ा कन्हैया श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा
sentido toda mi vida con mujeres.
Una vez समझा न पहचाना जो तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada de la presencia de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना, señorita.
it is always, a delightful moment to be a part of such an collection. Students put up such a wonderful show. I mean, the dance, the Michael Jackson dance. I mean, when I was in school, I mean, I was one of the back dancers that time. So I'm so grateful to witness such talent, and thank you, ma'am, the choreographers. You have done an excellent job. Thank you all our staff members, each and everyone under the guidance of Principal Ma'am and Samson sir. They have done a wonderful job. Thank you all for coming and praising the event. Thank you all.
To change my kid's school in between, in fact, and the purpose of that is like we should be more confident, and I see that. So thank you, ma'am, especially Ritu ma'am, sir, and Shivam ma'am. Thank you so much.
मैम प्रोग्राम देखा आपने, कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम था। कुछ टाइम के लिए तो हम लोग ही अपने बचपन में वापस चले जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को प्रोग्राम देख करते हुए।
कैसा लगा बताइए?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैंने अपना बचपन जी लिया। बच्चों को देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत इम्प्रेसिव था। बच्चों की हेजिटेशन दूर करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी टैलेंट था ये।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, सबसे अलग सर्कस, बचपन की यादें और विद सारे धर्म को एक साथ लेकर के। थैंक यू।
कैसा लगा?
Hi Chaitanya School, and I'm very happy. Especially thanks to Ritu ma'am. She's one of I saw one of very down to earth principal, and she always just give encouragement to the kids and the teachers also. And as a parent, I can say what I needed to inculcate in my kid
that is there. So I am too much happy, and I think other parents should also enroll for Chaitanya. So all the best and thank you.
It was very good, and the performance like given by the childrens, like that was really amazing. And I would like take a moment and say like thank you to Sri Chaitanya School, and it's what very nice.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम था एंड इट वाज वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल प्लान्ड, वेरी वेल एग्जीक्यूटेड. थैंक यू सो मच.
बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था. टीचर्स ने बहुत मेहनत की है और बच्चों ने भी बहुत मेहनत की है, पढ़ाई के साथ एक अलग से.
कैसा लगा मैम?
प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था. थैंक यू. हाँ
बताइए मैम कैसा लगा?
सर काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोग्राम था. बच्चों ने भी और स्टाफ ने भी बहुत मेहनत की है. ठीक है, ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहिए.
आप बताइए मैम प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा?
अच्छा
ऑन है, आप बताइए.
ऑन है. नहीं, प्रोग्राम तो लाइक एवरी ईयर प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छे से होता है श्री चैतन्य में, एंड आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट सरप्राइज्ड बिकॉज द स्कूल हैज़ इनकलकेटेड सच ट्रेमेंडस कॉन्फिडेंस एंड स्किल्स इन माई चाइल्ड दैट ही हैज़ बीन ग्रोइंग एंड आई एम एक्चुअली सरप्राइज्ड दैट okay, my child has been saying that mama you should watch my performance, and he has really shocked me. The team of dedicated staff and their tireless efforts, I think ये उसी की वजह से है कि आज का प्रोग्राम बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल हुआ है. एंड आई हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद श्री चैतन्य सिंस लास्ट 3 years, and they have always come up with such a wonderful performance. All thanks goes to principal ma'am Shri Ritu Srivastav ji and her entire team. Thank you.
कैसा लगा मैम प्रोग्राम?
प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था. सब बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा करा. एक्सीलेंट.
बहुत बढ़िया था, बहुत अच्छा था, सबने अच्छा करा. माइकल जैक्सन सबसे बेस्ट.
न्यूज लाइव टुडे की विशेष रिपोर्ट.